How to add Arabic text in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can add Arabic text in your CapCut video. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First steps first, open up your CapCut. Locate your CapCut app and then open it up. After you're on your CapCut, what you can do is you can simply open up a project that you're currently working on or start with a new project. I'll just open up a draft here. And now let's say that I want to add the Arabic text. So if I head over to the text option right here and add a text, I won't get any options for Arabic. You can check out each and every tabs here, but you won't find it. So what we'll do is we'll just open up a web browser, and on the web browser we'll simply search English to Arabic. And after you search English to Arabic, you'll get this translator. Now enter a text in your English, and it should give you the meaning or the text in Arabic. So you can simply press on this copy button and the translation will get copied, and come back to your CapCut where you can simply paste it. There you can see I've pasted it already. Now you can place it somewhere. You can change the fonts if you like. And after you're finally satisfied, you can change and play around with how till where you want this, and then simply export this and you're good to go. And that's how you add Arabic text in CapCut. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.